Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my maintenance day routine. This is basically for me to feel put together. So the first thing I do is eyebrows. So I get my eyebrows threaded whenever I get to go home and I have the chance. But sometimes it's like it grows back so fast. So I'm just kind of cleaning it up. So cleaning under it and like over it so that I can keep up with it until the next time I go home. Because, the last time I did it, I don't even remember. So I feel put together when my eyebrows are done. I feel like that's like for a lot of people too. But the next thing I'm doing is I'm washing my face and I'm getting ready for a face mask. And the face mask I'm using is the Ordinary Black Salicylic. It's the face mask, and this face mask is like an exfoliant. So I really love this. I don't put it on every week anymore because my face doesn't need it every week. Plus it's getting colder outside, so my face gets really dry when it's cold. So I don't try to exfoliate every week. I try to do it like twice a month. So after I put on my mask, what I do is I go and wash my hair. My hair has to be clean. This is something I do every week, take care of my hair, but I just want it to feel really clean. So the next thing I try to do monthly is a pedicure. So I did the actual pedicure off camera. So, I soak my feet, cut the cuticles, file it, all of that. And so this is just the part when I painted it, and my roommate has this thing, it's like gel. She has the gel polish and then the UV light. And so this really hardens it and like it stays for a long time. So I really like using this, and my feet feels like the salon, really. It's like the closest thing to the salon. And I don't really need to go every month to the salon, just like whenever I want to, like once in a while. So this is just the best alternative for me. The next thing I do is lip scrub. So I have like a process for lip scrub, and I really try to keep up with my lips. And my lips have been getting really dry because outside randomly just got really cold. So the first thing I do is I get this new toothbrush head from my toothbrush, and I try to take off all the dead skin from my lips first before I do anything to it. So I just keep scrubbing it and try to get all the dead skin. Next, I get Vaseline or Aquaphor, so it could like bring some type of smoothness for lubricant. And so I just put that on, and then I brush my lips again, but this time it will actually take off the dead skin, and it's because it's not dry. Then I wipe it off with hot water, like warm water, so that the dead skin is easier to come off. And so after this, the second step is I put the brown sugar honey lip scrub. And this is from Tree Hut, so it's not really homemade, but you can make it homemade. I just didn't have time. So I use this and I scrub it all over my lips. And then after I'm done scrubbing it, I leave it on while I do other things. So this is the new thing I've been using. It's the Crystal Deodorant. So basically it has no paraben, no aluminum. Very good for the skin. So what I do is I put a little bit of water in it, and I heard Crystal Deodorant is really good. So it takes off all the odor, night odor. So I wear this before nighttime. Next thing I do is my nails, and I love doing my nails because I just feel so put together and just, I don't know, elegant. I just love it. So this is very short, and I love short nails because I can function with it. So the first thing I do is I dehydrate my nails, and this is really good because it keeps the glue together, so it lasts longer and it doesn't just pop off anywhere. And the best thing to do with this dehydrator, I just use like sterilized alcohol. I think that's what it's called. So I also make it rough, so I just buffed it, but you're supposed to just like use the nail file on your nails so that the glue can stick better. So that's what I did there. And then I just put on the glue and put on my nails. I actually got this from Walmart like for, I don't know, $7, and it's so easy to put on. And it looks so nice. It's my favorite type of nails. I got this from Chloe Yasmin. So I saw her wear it, and so I went to Walmart and I got it, and this is my favorite nails from now on. It's just something easy to put on, like whenever I'm not going to the salon for that month. How you doing? Okay, so the next thing I do is I wipe off the lip scrub I put on before I did my nails, and my lips feel so soft, moisturized, exfoliated, no more dry skin. And so next thing I do is I wash my face, because I forgot to tell you guys, this was a different day. So as you can see, the clip before, my hair was in mask, and then now my hair is out. So this is the day after. So I dry my skin. The next thing I do is I moisturize my skin because I was getting ready to go to bed. And the last thing I do is I put on my favorite lip mask, the Laneige. It's not really a lip mask, but it's the best lip moisturizer. So I put this on right after my mask, and my lips felt so soft. And I'm gonna do this like twice a month since it's getting colder in the months. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and come again.